What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be playing with my friends Red, Dragon Man, 7456, and what? And cashmesn. They asked me to record a video of them, so I am doing it. Oh no, not again. Don't do it, no. Okay, we're all dead. Run, 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 run. Everyone run! Get down! He has too much power. Look. Da 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 da. What is happening to my... Why is it pausing? What are you doing to it? They're trying to anchor it, aren't they? Oh no, they're not. Okay. By the way, if you're watching this, guys, I am sorry if anything I say in this offends you. Can you bring him back alive, please? Nah, I'm presuming he's gonna be dead. There's the results. Dead. Where's Red? Red. Oh yeah, by the way, if you want a friend Red, his username is Tater the Greaterest. He just left the game. Where's Red? Oh god. No. Where is he? Cashman, did you take him? Never mind, I found him. Please don't be a death ride. Oh no. This is a death ride. Oh no. Please don't do it. I'm too, I guess, famous? No, I'm not really that famous. Okay, take me for a ride. Don't kill me. Do, 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 do. Yeah. By the way, Red cannot actually hear me. You know, in Discord, and I don't even know if he has Discord. Discord. I am trying to do Discord. Guess someone asked him in private chat if he had a channel. Why does Red have so much health? It doesn't say that he's a member, a royal member or anything. Camera just... I'm trying to escape it. The pull of it. Did he just fly? Is he? Ow, I just got slapped in the face by a grinder. FK grinder. Which, if you want to see that video, link in the description below. Who stopped it? Am I just lagging very badly, or is... What's going on with it? What? Hello? Grinder? Okay, here would be a good time. Oh my god. I am lagging like crazy. Okay. Yeah, I don't really have a subject on the video, just subscribe, please. That's a friend Red. Ah! Today was just a video with my friends. Tomorrow I'm gonna post a video. I got something in my throat. I forgot what I was gonna do the next video on. Just gonna mute. Well, I tried figuring this out because I cannot remember. I'll just leave it as a surprise what I'm gonna make a video on. No point in ruining it. And I totally did not forget temporarily. Well, this is gonna be the end of the video. Bye, guys. I'll see you next time.